W.H. Auden, I and the public know what all school children learn. Those to whom evil is done do evil in return. This is not rocket science, folks. If we hurt our kids, they're going to hurt back. This is a pretty dramatic example of something that you're all aware of. You know what, I mean, at least 20% of the kids in the juvenile justice system, minimum, have serious bona fide brain disorders, psychiatric illnesses that require treatment. The mental health systems in this country have collapsed. They've all gone to you. You've become now the superintendents for the mental health sector. The largest psychiatric facility in the world is the LA County Jail. Your halls, your ranches, your dockets are full of kids and parents with mental illness that goes untreated because you don't have the resources to do it, and there's not enough crosstalk between the mental health systems, the social service systems, probation systems, and the judiciary in order to do the job properly. In this case, we have the situation of a child who's literally, this is a very, if you see these vertical marks down the arm like that, that's very serious stuff, and you need to, because he's trying to kill himself. That's different than cutting across like this and oh, please help me. This is, I want to die. Stress disorder, though, most often lurks hidden. This is the thing. Because of my background and training, et cetera, I can see when a kid walks in the courtroom, you know, they're walking in like this, you know, and they're Mr. Tough Guy, and they're this and that, and they act like they don't care at all about what anybody thinks, and they're disrespectful, and they haven't dressed properly, and that's just their facha, as we call it in the Valley. That's just their way of presenting themselves. Inside, all kinds of other things are going on, but it's very hard to get to, especially with adolescents. In this picture, we see a child who thinks he's playing, but his heart is saying something else. And later we're going to talk about what do we do, or how do we conceptualize a kid whose heart is going one way, his mind is going another. This picture, which by the way won a Pulitzer Prize, and deservedly so, shows how kids can present one thing and mean something very, very different.